Hello, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing fantastic. This is Rimon. Right now, I am at a field in Dhaka City. There are a lack of field for playing, for taking exercise, and for others. Here you will see there are a lot of people. They're passing quality time here. Someone is playing football, someone is playing volleyball, someone is gossiping. Okay, it's really wonderful here. People come here in the afternoon usually, and if you come in the morning, that time you will see there are a lot of people. They are for taking exercise. So it is at Mohammadpur. I found a lot of this type of field in Mohammadpur, but it is not crowded recently because of mobile phone. We are being addicted day by day. Instead of using mobile phone devices, we should go to the field for taking exercise, for playing football, for playing anything. It is very good for our mental health, for our physical health. That is the thing. That's all for the time being. Thank you for listening to me. I love this.